Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix your Robots.TXT file on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, to edit this, you're going to need to use a plugin for SEO. This is my Robots.TXT file, or the example of it, and you can access it by just entering your site URL and then /robots.txt, and it should show you that. Now, because I can't install plugins, I'll need to go over and switch to an article to help you guys with this. And you should use any of the popular SEO tools, such as All-in-One SEO, Yoast SEO, and you can also use Rank Math. And all of these are perfectly fine solutions for this. Now, the Robots.TXT files tell search engines how to crawl your site, and you can add pages which you want crawled and add pages which you don't want to be crawled. You should also link your sitemap in it so as to improve the performance. But yeah, disabling some certain pages might help load your site a bit faster. And yeah, to fix it, you pretty much just need to get a plugin which allows you to use it, and pretty much this is exactly what it looks like. As you remember, I've shown you just previously, and additionally you can also view it through All-in-One SEO or any other plugin. And now, to edit that file and fix any problems you might be having, you are gonna need to first enable custom robots on any of your plugins that you're using. And once you do that, then you're gonna need to locate the robots editor if it has it, and it most likely should have it. And then you just need to enable custom robots there. And then you can also add rules to the rule builder. If you're using All-in-One SEO, it should be like this, and you can just pretty much change the directives to make sure to change the rules as you should. Add the user agents, add the values, and add the directives. This is a better option than just manually editing it. You can edit it manually if you have a file transfer protocol program, which you can go into your files with and then edit the robots.txt from there. But after you change this, especially in All-in-One SEO, you'll see a preview at the bottom, which will help you do that. Now, additionally, you can also import rules from another site. You can go to tools, robots.txt, and enable custom robots.txt in All-in-One SEO. Then click import and select the site you want to import it from. And you can also, again, use the rule builder. And that is pretty much it. Now, you might have a couple of problems with this. Usually it's just something is not defined as it should, in which case you should just edit it manually, and then that should fix the problem. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Sorry I couldn't show you guys in great detail because I can't access my robots.txt, nor do I have any problems with it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.